most interesting things about South America. South America covers an area of 17,840,000 square kilometers. It is the fourth largest continent in the world. There are 12 independent countries in South America. They are Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, Uruguay, and Venezuela. Total population of South America is approximately 422.5 million. It ranks fifth after Asia, Africa, Europe, and North America. America is named after Amerigo Vespucci, the Italian explorer who set forth the then revolutionary concept that the lands that Christopher Columbus sailed to in 1492 were part of a separate continent. Spanish is spoken in all of South American countries except Brazil. Portuguese is the language of Brazil. It is believed that there are still native tribes living so deep in the Amazon rainforest that they have not yet been contacted by any modern man. The Mayans, Aztecs, and Incas all have their roots in South America, and they were among the wealthiest yet most mysterious colonies in the world. The largest river of the world by volume of water is the Amazon River in South America. It has more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. It contains 1/5 of the world's fresh water. The Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world. It extends some 4 million square kilometers and covers 40% of South American territory. It is considered to have the greatest biodiversity in the world, with hundreds of different animal species, around 40,000 plant species, and a stunning 2.5 million different species of insects. The longest mountain range in the world, the Andes Mountains, is in South America. It spans some 8,900 kilometers from the north to the south of the continent. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye!